Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello to all our amazing listeners.
Today, we have a very interesting and useful topic: how to talk about your future in English.
Yes, we always talk about what we do now, but today we'll talk about what we will do later. But first, like this video, subscribe our channel, and share with others so we can produce more English learning classes.
Exactly. We'll learn how to say what we plan, want, or hope to do in the future.
Great. So, Emily, let's start simple. How do we talk about the future?
The easiest way is to use will or going to.
Yes. For example, I will travel next year, or I am going to travel next year. Both are correct.
That's right. Will is used for decisions made now. Going to is used for plans.
Good point. So, Emily, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents. We'll have dinner together. What about you, Paul?
I'm going to meet my friends and play football.
Football again? You really love that game.
Yes, I do. Okay, let's give our listeners some practice sentences.
Great idea. Repeat after us, everyone.
I will study English tomorrow.
I'm going to start a new job next month.
I will call my friend later.
I'm going to travel to another city this summer.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
You can also talk about your future goals or dreams using these forms.
Yes. For example, I want to be a doctor. I hope to visit Japan one day. I'm going to buy a car next year.
These are great ways to talk about your dreams. So, Paul, what's your big dream?
My big dream? I want to open my own English school one day.
Wow, that's wonderful. You'd be an amazing teacher and owner.
Thank you, Emily. What about you? What's your future dream?
I want to travel the world and paint beautiful places.
That's a beautiful dream. I can imagine you painting in Paris or Venice.
Yes, maybe one day.
Let's also teach a few question examples our listeners can use.
Yes, here are they. What are you going to do tomorrow? What will you do next year? What do you want to be in the future? What are your plans for the weekend?
Perfect. And here are some ways you can answer. I'm going to study. I will visit my grandparents. I want to learn a new language. I hope to get a new job.
Wonderful examples. Remember, the more you practice these, the more confident you'll sound.
That's true. And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them while learning.
Yes, the important thing is to keep speaking. The future is all about progress.
I like that. The future is all about progress. Nice line, Emily.
Thank you. I just made it up.
Well, you're a natural teacher.
Thank you, Paul. Okay, friends, now it's your turn.
In the comments, tell us about your future. You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, I will learn English, or I'm going to visit another country.
We'll read your answers and maybe mention a few in our next episode.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, it really helps more people find our lessons.
And always remember,
English is easy and fun.
thank you for listening.
Take care and see you in the future.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.